I'm moving, and this is tip number 5 of the 7 things I'm doing before I start packing. Hi, I'm a professional organizer, and if you want to know more about my move and the details about the videos I'm shooting, look at the description. These tips are in no particular order because every move is different. Tip number 5, disassemble. When you find out you're moving, you want to start doing the things that take a lot of time, but choose carefully. There's a fine line between feeling balance and normalcy during your move and creating too much chaos. Here are some examples.
I took the window shades down earlier. We're okay with curtains for the next 2 weeks. Don't forget to save the parts. You can put them in a Ziploc bag. I love using my bright yellow high-quality painter's tape to label things because it's just really quick to read. I add it to my parts box for when I'm unpacking. Breaking down furniture is something you may want to consider. Make sure you can still function. I've already removed the shoes that we're currently not using for this season and added them to my closet to pack. Everything there is the bare minimum of what we'll need for the next 2 weeks. The bonus part of breaking some things down early is that you can give it a good, thorough cleaning. Oh, look, we have a surprise guest. Hi, lawnmower guy. I like to use bags, Ziplocs, or grocery bags to corral all the small parts together, tape it together into one unit. Every time I look at the Dyson, I think, ooh, I have to take that down. That way I can stick a little spackle in there and leave the place a little bit better than when we moved in. In this scenario, I take the screws, tape them together, and tape it to the mount.